Intellectual capital is considered within the company as the engine of value generation through knowledge and experience. Therefore, intellectual capital relates knowledge and experience with technology, productivity, competitiveness. The use of intellectual capital aims to strengthen the company in the competitive market and its profitability. The relevance of intellectual capital in smart societies is generated by knowledge and innovation. Knowledge management provides the intellectual capital of the organization through human talent, skills, abilities, and knowledge. Intellectual capital is made up of human capital, relational capital, and structural capital. As for human capital, competencies, skills, labor capabilities, business success. Intellectual capital is characterized by 1. Knowledge, technical, academic, and experience. 2. Skills, know how to do. 3. Attitudes, willingness, effort, and conduct. 4. Values, ethics, responsibility, collaborative work, etc. The human capital in an organization focuses its purpose on the development of its staff at the level of commitment, responsibility, qualification, motivation, and alignment with organizational objectives. Under all this perspective, human capital links the capital for results of the company according to the aspirations, objectives, goals, growth, possibilities, etc. of the individual within the company. Therefore, human capital involves employees in responsibility, high performance, orienting the mission, vision, and organizational objectives based on the circulating culture within and outside the context of the company. Human capital is associated with innovation and technology. The inventive capacity. Relational capital is the exchange of knowledge between individuals inside and outside the company. The interest groups, clients, suppliers, workers, partners, competition, government agents, etc. Product innovation, organizational culture, management systems, ICT, improvement of the productive, functional, and operational processes. Regarding structural capital, organizations have information systems, work procedures, management systems, R&D. All of this for an effective performance of their operations. These assets are part of the company and are legally protected, intellectual property, copyright, etc. Structural capital is part of the set of intangible values linked to agreed methods, acquisition, organization, and transfer of knowledge. Therefore, the knowledge acquired in intellectual organizations is a learning instrument. Organizational culture also belongs to structural capital, since it depends on the values and norms that intervene in the transmission of knowledge and the interrelationships of work. The individual who learns in an organization requires ethical values that identify him with the organizational culture. The importance of ethics in intellectual organizations is given by the attitudes that people assume towards their functions, relationships, and responsibilities, influencing the productive activity and the strategic management of the organization. The relationship between ethics and intellectual capital in the organization transcends social and cultural elements because morals, ethics, and values are also part of the intellectual formation of the people who contribute to the development of the company. Combining the above ethical values, habits, and social skills within the corporate structure and practices produce the knowledge to work effectively under a harmonious interrelation that allows quality and good service among social actors, workers, clients, suppliers, and shareholders, linked to the company. Smart society. 1. Information generating community where ethical values, intellectual capital, and TIC are developed to prosper in society. Therefore, we can say that everything begins with the human talent developed by individuals, which is transferred to the relationships and structures of organizations and society through the physical and virtual environment. All this waste of information is transferred through a series of ethical codes, values, culture, that offer a plus to the human talent. The promotion of the digital environment, together with the possibilities of technological interconnection in people's daily lives, fosters intelligent societies. This use generates technology, digital equipment, social networks, connected devices, fundamental pillars in the communications of intelligent societies. Societies that have been informed by the impulse of a developed intellectual capital and with ethical values. Today, there is no society, organization, state that claims to be intelligent and does not have to join forces to achieve it with human talent, values, and computer knowledge. 1. An intelligent society must be nurtured by technological interconnection. 2. The technological connection is endowed with human talent with knowledge, skills, abilities, values. 3. Human talent, intellectual capital, managed with ethics and social and business values.